Welcome everyone. In this video, I will explain the theoretical concept of speed control of universal motor. So, what is meant by a universal motor? A universal motor is the one which can run with both AC as well as DC. It finds applications in power drills, in vacuum cleaners, in kitchen appliances, in wash machines, blenders. So for all these applications, we need to have a variation in the speed of the motor. So that is why it is very essential to know the concept of speed control of universal motor. This is the circuit which gives us an idea of the theoretical concept of controlling the speed of the universal motor. So as you can see here, we have a semiconductor device which is triac, and we have a universal motor. The supply is AC. So I have explained that it can work with both AC as well as DC. In this circuit, we are using an AC supply. Now we will study what is triac. Triac comes from two words, which is triode and AC. Okay, this is tri-electrode AC semiconductor switch, which is triac. It is equivalent to two thyristors or two SCRs connected in anti-parallel. That means, say if we have a thyristor we have another thyristor. This is cathode, this is anode. Here again, this is anode and this is cathode. We connect it in parallel. Since cathode is connected to anode and here our anode is connected to cathode, they are in anti-parallel. So the triac, as you can observe here, it is having two terminals, that is MT2 and MT1, and a common gate. That means this gate is connected here. So MT2 is main terminal 2 and MT1 is main terminal 1. G is gate. MT1 is taken as reference. So whatever pulse signal is applied to the gate, it is with respect to MT1. Likewise, the input which is applied to this circuit, that is at terminal MT2, is considered with reference to MT1. With no gate signal applied, the triac will not conduct. So for the triac to conduct, the gate signal has to be applied. This triac is a bidirectional device. That means the current can flow from MT to MT1 as well as MT1 to MT2. It is a bidirectional device. So triac is a semiconductor device which usually converts fixed AC to variable AC. It is nothing but AC to AC controller or AC voltage controller. The current through the motor flows in either direction. Now let us look what is meant by universal motor. This universal motor construction is similar to that of the DC machine. So it has both stator and rotor. Okay. Its characteristics is also similar to that of a DC series motor. So universal motor is nothing but a series wound motor. So when you supply universal motor with AC, the current reverses during the negative half cycle, but the torque which is experienced by the armature conductors during both positive half as well as negative half will be in the same direction. That means it will be unidirectional torque. Unidirectional. Now let us look how this circuit works. During positive half cycle, this terminal is positive, this is negative. The current flows through the triac, the motor in this direction. Okay, provided the gate signal is applied. So what will happen during the negative half cycle? During negative half cycle, this is plus and this is minus. So the current will flow in this opposite direction. So the current through the motor flows in both the directions. Since it produces unidirectional torque, the motor rotates in the same direction. So this is how we can control the speed of the universal motor. Especially we obtain a variable AC by varying the firing angle of this particular gate or varying the duration at which we trigger the gate. So in the upcoming video, the demonstration of speed control of universal motor will be done.